Hey guys, all over the news. It's all about Robinhood. I'm sure you heard about it. It's about online investing. So if you're looking to do some online investing, this is a really good website and also has a really good app as well. So if you're looking to do some online trading, it's very low to almost no fees whatsoever for trading. I think it's almost free. There's maybe some small fees for managing your account. Very inexpensive. I'm just going to show you how to set it up and how to get going. It's all about Robinhood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today we're talking about Robinhood. It's all over the news, it's everywhere. So Robinhood basically is like a trading format for you to buy and sell stocks with no commission. So Robinhood is a legitimate site, so don't be afraid with that. If you want to get involved with Robinhood, you don't have to be afraid. Signing up is very, very easy and very simple. So all you have to do is just Google Robinhood. Basically, it's everywhere in the news. So it's coming up right here. I wanted to just make you a quick video to show you. Just basically go to their website, which is robinhood.com. You see it right here in their site. You can check this out. And signing up is real simple. So a couple of things you do have to do when you sign up is click on sign up, and you do have to put your name in. It says they're actually giving you some free stock. I believe they just randomly give you something. I'm not really sure how that works exactly, but whatever. So they offer you some free stock, so you can click on claim your free stock. So do that before they stop doing that, because once they get popular enough, they probably will stop doing that. Name, first name, last name, email, and then a password. Then the second section, when you get into it, they want you to verify your identity. You don't have to be afraid of this. You do have to put your social security number in. That is a regulatory thing that you have to do. Doesn't matter if you're with a brokerage firm or online, you have to put your social security number in, and you have to put your date of birth in so they can identify you and basically just authenticate who you are. Everybody's being authenticated. You might as well authenticate yourself. That's pretty much what they're going to do. And then once you get into it, you actually get into the actual platform, and then you can see what stocks they have available, set up your account. You can buy, you can sell, you can trade. So real easy to do. And I'll just get into it. I didn't actually do the full setup yet, but I'll just get into it so you can see real quick what it looks like. Okay, so I logged into my account. So now you can see, once you're in here, you can pretty much see whatever you want. You can search for stocks, search for different things. If you like Apple, if you like Tesla, if you like whatever you like. So this is really real-time information coming in here. So let's take a quick look at this here. So here's the Apple stock. You can see it currently going up and down, right? So you can actually see the Apple stock going up and down. So it's actually trading live. You can see this. This is real-time information. So you can see every second dropping up, dropping down a few cents. If it's a buy and a sell. Gives you some recommendations tabs here. So 70% of all analysts recommend buying Apple. Let's look at the graph. You can see exactly how it's doing over time. So it's got a lot of good tools and a lot of good things to really look at. And you can see, it gives you real-time information. So it's down roughly $5, and that's just split second. So you're really getting real-time information. And you can just see what's going on here. It's really kind of interesting, kind of cool. So that's just one day. You can look at a week. You can look at a month. Here's a year. So you can see here, look at this big dip here. This is when the pandemic really hit, and you can see March 23rd, everything tanked. So if you got in at March 23rd, right, you did really well. You got in there, at a good deal, and it just kept going. As you can just see that. So that's kind of cool, right? All right, so you can see that price point there was, you can see here, right here, the price, and you can see that lowest price there during the pandemic was down to $56, and now the high was the other day. Here's a high here. Right, and you got this here, and that's 142. So that's pretty kind of cool. So that's kind of how that works. You can kind of play with that and just look at it. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention. It's in the news. It's everywhere about Robinhood. Don't be afraid. Sign up. Authenticate who you are. Put your information in. They'll give you a free stock. I'm not sure which one they give you, and that's it. All right, guys. I just want to bring this to your attention real quickly. It's real simple. So if you're really nervous about getting into some not day trading, I would not recommend day trading. This is something but use this as a tool to help build your portfolio and your finances. And that's it. So I want to bring this quick video to you, just show you about Robinhood. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate that as always. I do appreciate you always tuning into Review Channel. Check out all my videos on my site. They're absolutely free to look at, and any questions at all, I'll be glad to help you. All right, guys, that's it for me. Check out Robinhood. Pretty cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next review.